Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we would learn how to insert a table in Microsoft Excel. So to do this we first have to select this insert button, and then in there the first group, the table group, you'll have this table. Just click on that, or you can use Ctrl plus T. Now guys, now here you have to select the table. Like if I click here, this name of this cell, that is A1, is written over there, A1. Now if you select whatever, like K11, L14, E11, everything that is selected. Now you want to insert an entire table, then you just select and drag the row, amount of row and the column, and after that you'll have this first cell and the last cell that you selected. Like here it's A1 and E8. Okay, now if your table has an header, then you can check it or you can uncheck. After that just press OK. Now guys, as you can see, you have your table now, and if you just click on this table, a new tab, a new design tool is created where you can change the settings of this table. Like here the table style, you can select light, medium or dark, whatever you want. And now here you can add, if you want to add some extra things in the table, like if I add table row, then you can just check it there. Okay, also guys, you can edit this column header by just double clicking, and you can change whatever you want, like I'm writing. So guys, as you can see, the changes, whatever you want, you can do this by just clicking on the cell, and you can change it by using, and you can change, and you can edit the and you can edit the header by just double clicking on the headers. Also you can short it, or you can make it visible or invisible, like here. Okay, you can filter the column and the rows. Okay, so that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.